Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace. Open Notes and create a new note with a grid page because alignment matters for equations. Next, make sure your Apple Pencil settings, pressure and palm rejection, are configured so marks stay precise. Once done, insert a blank math area or import a diagram image and reveal the toolbar. Choose pen type and thickness. Now, sketch a sample equation to verify line weight and spacing. This first step prevents messy conversions later. Write each equation neatly, keeping spacing consistent so the recognition engine reads numerals and symbols accurately. Grid alignment helps with fractions and matrices. Once you have a block of work, use the lasso tool to select it, tap Convert to get typed math or LaTeX, and inspect the preview. Make corrections inline if operators or superscripts misread. Then, organize content. Add headers, fold solved sections to reduce clutter, and link related notes for a problem set. This keeps study sessions efficient and searchable. Finalize by exporting. Choose PDF for sharing, copy LaTeX for typesetting, or share a note link for collaboration. Set resolution and include images when needed. Add final annotations or voice memos to explain steps, then back up to iCloud or files to avoid loss. If conversion fails, troubleshoot. Rewrite problem with clearer symbols, increase stroke contrast by switching pen thickness or color, and reconvert. If persistent, export the image and run it through a dedicated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.